This is the Outdoor Evolution Dura-Lite AT table, a super lightweight premium camping table with a nice wood effect finish on top. The tabletop itself is made from a honeycomb material, making it super lightweight, and the legs are of course aluminium. So lightweight in fact, it actually comes with pegs to peg down the feet, so if you're outside and the wind gets up, it keeps it on the ground. The adjustable feet and adjustable legs mean it's suitable for most ground conditions, and a handy and sturdy lockable system on the base really keeps it nice and stable. All in all, a great addition to your premium camping setup.